headed back to my office from resolving a case at the East Mesa Justice Court for reckless driving. And it's something that we get called on all the time, reckless driving, and people call my office and they usually have misinformation. And the first being that they don't understand that it's a criminal charge, right? So it's a criminal misdemeanor. It's one of the very few charges that if you're convicted, you can't get it off the record. There's only like a handful of these charges that once you plead guilty, you can't get it off. So whatever you do, don't make the mistake of going in and the judge or the prosecutor says, hey, it's just going to be a $300 fine or wherever the fine may be. So you say, oh, no big deal, I'll pay it, be done with it. No, once you pay that, you're admitting guilt, you're going to be convicted, you cannot get that off your record. The other thing they don't understand is they're complicated cases, and they're complicated because the law for reckless driving is so general, and it just says a reckless disregard for the safety of others. And what is reckless, right? So this person could be over here to my left driving in a 65 going 85, and maybe the traffic's heavy and an officer thinks that's reckless, or somebody weaving in and out, or maybe sometimes we get something that someone's driving too slow and they're impeding traffic and an officer finds that to be reckless. And so what you need is a lawyer to get the police report, to interview the officer. If there's video, get the video and dissect everything, present a clear argument to the prosecutor that the way my client was driving was not reckless. It shouldn't result in a criminal conviction forever. It shouldn't result in 8 points on his license. It shouldn't result in mandatory traffic survival school. So what I suggest is this: let's get on board with the case. Let's figure out what's going on. Let's investigate the case. And then we've done thousands of cases throughout the course of our career. And there's a reason why people trust us, is because we're very good at what we do. We can sit down and meet with you and understand the facts, and meet with the police officer and convey the message to the judge and the prosecutor that this may all just be one big misunderstanding, right? And what I suggest is, just if you're charged with reckless driving at the East Mesa Justice Court, just call our office and we'll walk you through the steps, we'll walk you through the process, we'll put you at ease, we'll educate you of the consequences, right? And then we'll tell you exactly how we can help you. There's no reason for you to go at this alone. There's no reason for you to hire a lawyer that's inexperienced. Otherwise, you may be wasting your money. Hiring our office is a smart decision, and just with the initial consultation, I think you're going to be very comfortable hearing how we can help you and what exactly we can do on your case. And then let's get started on it. So the sooner we get started, the better chance we have at getting you an outcome that you want, whether that's a dismissal or reduction or whatever it may be. But the first things first is call our office. Let's talk about the case. Call me anytime, 602-980-1987. I'd be more than happy to sit down with you and discuss our experience with the East Mesa Justice Court, how we can help you, answer your questions, and then we'll go from there. 602-980-1987.